Today I'm going to show you how to build Power Pivot models in Microsoft Excel. The first thing we need to know is what a Power Pivot is and why you should use it. So it's a game-changing Excel add-in that revolutionizes how you work with your data. Now you can import massive data sets from multiple sources and you can create intelligent relationships between your tables. Now, there's no more VLOOKUP formulas cluttering your worksheets. So you can use Excel's internal data model and powerful DAX formula language, and you can perform sophisticated calculations and build dynamic pivot tables that adapt to your analysis needs. This allows you to analyze millions of rows efficiently, far beyond Excel's normal 1 million row worksheet limit. You can also combine data from disparate sources, and then you can create relationships that automatically update. Now, this is what we're looking for. First of all, you need to navigate to File, Options, and go to Add-ins. When you're here, you are going to go to COM Add-ins and then check for Microsoft Power Pivot for Excel and click on OK, and this will now be activated. Now open the Power Pivot window and use the Get External Data to import from Excel workbooks, databases, or any other sources you have. Now you need to name your tables. So this can be sales, products, customers, whatever it is that you need to name them. Switch to the diagram view and drag key fields between tables to establish connections. Now, for example, you can link sales, which could be like product ID, to products, and then you can create intelligent table relationships this way. You can also leverage the DAX formulas to create calculated columns and measures that deliver customer metrics tailored to your business's needs and analytical requirements. Building pivot tables directly from your data models, and this will help you explore, slice, and visualize your data dramatically, transforming your raw information into actionable insights. Now, it is empowering you to analyze more complex multi-table data sets with remarkable ease and speed. So go and give it a try.